Are you juggling multiple systems to keep your e-commerce business running smoothly? By integrating Magento with SAP Business ByDesign, you can unlock a range of benefits that streamline your business processes. Magento SAP Business ByDesign integration connects your Magento e-commerce storefront with SAP's robust ERP system. This means real-time synchronization of data, like product information, inventory levels, and customer details. No more worrying about outdated data or manual updates. Everything flows smoothly between systems. Now, why does this matter? Well, accurate, up-to-date data is key to running a successful online store. With this integration, your customers will always see the right stock levels, prices, and product descriptions. What makes this even better are the clear business benefits. For one, it enhances your order management process. Orders placed on Magento are automatically synced with SAP, meaning they're processed faster and shipped out more efficiently. This integration helps cut down on operational costs. By automating tasks like data entry, stock management, and order synchronization, you're freeing up valuable time for your team to focus on more important tasks. So how does this all work? Well, the integration solutions vary depending on your business needs. The BPA platform, for example, automates things like product updates, order statuses, and customer details between Magento and SAP. You can also choose from different types of integration models. If you're a large business with complex systems, API-based integration might be the way to go. Choosing the right connector is another important step. For larger businesses, IPASS or hub-and-spoke models provide better scalability and flexibility. For smaller companies, point-to-point extensions are a cost-effective and simpler solution. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce insights. Thanks for watching.